What is up? It is your boy, Zach, most favorite number one Florida fan, most favorite number one Seahawks fan. Today I have a special announcement. This is not on the 31st, this is not November 2nd. This is not gonna be next year. I want to announce it today. And before I get into this, pause this video for a moment. Keep it up, my bros. Keep on subscribing. And keep it up. And let's get straight into this. I have a special news, everyone. Special announcement. You want to know what the special announcement is? Well, I will be making a book. So, and you boys are like, what kind of book will you be making? So, I will be making a book about my lightning power and me. So I'm called the Grand Master of all lightning. The Grand Master of all lightning. It's gonna be amazing. Let me show you this really quick. And watching. Thank you. So I'll be making the book. It's about oh wow. That is awesome. Popcorn is the last one, so it tastes so good. So, yes, about me having my eternal lightning power. Eternal meaning forever, I think. Or maybe or immortality, which means immortal. This is gonna take me like 3 to 6 months, I believe. So it's October, right? So I will still be making videos. So October, November, December, January, March, April. So it'll be done by April 10th, 2020. It's gonna be awesome, don't worry. It's called the 10,000 Lightning Bolt Man. It's gonna be amazing. The story of the 10,000 Volt Man. It's not the legend, just the story of 10,000 Lightning Bolt Man. So, hopefully you enjoy this video. Oh Lord. So, the credits that comes after this video, just this quick video. I'm not going to be making any more today, so I've just been so busy doing my senior portfolio. I'll be graduating in a 1.5 a year. It's going to be so exciting. So, catch you on this next video. Peace and cheese and Reese's, yo. No, chocolate, yo. Weak.